In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to avoid GFV, or good faith violations, on Webull. If you've ever found yourself confused by this term or worried about how it might impact your trading, you're in the right place. We're going to break it down and make sure you're well prepared to handle your trades smoothly and confidently. First, let's start at your Webull homepage. This is your central hub for all things trading, and from here you can access everything you need to manage your account effectively. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this space, as it will help you navigate your trades with ease. Now, one of the key factors in avoiding GFV is patience. Specifically, you need to wait for the cash from your previous sales to fully settle before you use it to purchase another security. This is important because using unsettled funds can lead to a violation, which we definitely want to avoid. Typically, it takes 2 business days for stock sales to settle, so hang tight and let the process complete before reinvesting those funds. Next, you should always check your settled cash balance in your Webull account before placing a trade. This balance indicates the amount of money that is fully available for use. When you're planning to buy stocks or ETFs with the intention to sell them soon, it's crucial that you use only these settled funds. This approach will help you steer clear of any potential violations. Remember, if you sell a security before the funds you used to buy it have settled, you're risking a good faith violation. Now, let's talk about the importance of staying alert. Keep an eye on your account notifications for any GFV warnings. Webull will alert you if there are any issues that need your attention. Act on these warnings promptly to avoid any restrictions on your trading activities. These notifications are there to help you maintain a smooth trading experience, so don't overlook them. In summary, avoiding GFV on Webull is all about understanding the settlement process and using only settled funds for buying. It's about being patient with your trades and keeping a close watch on your account notifications. By following these steps, you'll be able to manage your trades more effectively and with greater confidence. Thanks for joining me in today's video. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to navigate your Webull trading account and avoid those pesky good faith violations. Happy trading, and may your investments bring you great success. See you next time!